the reason I'm like this. Ayanmiri, I am going to kill you today. Ayanmiri! Ayanmiri!
Every day, Okadibo kept going to the river, calling Nduri. But he never found her. He kept searching till the day
I found her beauty, wide and free. Her eyes like stars, her lips so soft, oh maiden of the ocean. She stood in grace, her hair kissed by the breeze.
Gods of our land.
She stood in grace, her hair kissed.
What a beauty. Omalicha, your beauty is brighter than morning sun. Tell me, are you here to enjoy the river? Huh? Omalicha, your smiles is even more beautiful than words. My name is Okadibo. What is your name? You don't want to tell me your name? Okay. If silent is your answer, I am good with that. Come with me, the most beautiful. I will shower you with gifts. Peace. Darling. You are so beautiful. This is my heart. Since you don't want to tell me your name, I will be calling you Nduri. The name Nduri suits you. Strong, yet soft. A name worthy of a queen like you. I am going to make you my wife. I will never allow any man to take you away from me. Not the wind, not the gods, not even death will take you away from me. Please, come and sit down here. Let me quickly go and prepare something special for you to eat. My beautiful queen. Please, sit down and make yourself comfortable. Sit. You don't say much. Do you? Listen, I once spoke to the moon. He did not answer. But it listened, and that was good enough. Let me quickly go prepare something special for you, the most beautiful one to eat. I love your smile. Where is that evil daughter of yours? Where is that evil child? I am going to kill her today. I am going to end her life today. Where is she? Where is that evil child? Where is she? Tell me, where is that your daughter? I am going to kill her today. Where is she?
She's at Ayanmiri River. You will find her there.
She is the reason I am suffering like this. I am going to end her life today. Just maybe. No! 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 I have suffered enough. No! 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 I can't continue like this. I can't continue suffering like this. I am going to kill that your daughter today.
Okadibo.
You are the reason I'm like this. Ayanmiri, I am going to kill you today. Ayanmiri!
Did you see Okadibo? He was looking for you.
Yes, I saw him. And I put him into a deep sleep.
Why are you so heartless? How long will you continue to torment that young man?
Heartless. Is that what you think of me? That man defiled the waters and stole from the sacred deep. And you are calling me heartless for punishing him.
I understand that you are the keeper of the river and the messenger of the gods. But you should show him mercy. Has he not suffered enough?
No! He has not pleaded for mercy. Nor has he returned what he stole from the waters. I will keep frustrating him until he does what is right.
What type of human is this? What sort of child is this? Bound.
What happened to me? What? Was I sleeping? No. No! No! No!
Is this not the great Okadibo? What happened to him?
Honestly, I don't understand. This was a man that was crowned the lion of Ayanmiri Kingdom. Oh, what a pity.
He looks like one who is under a certain spell and is being tormented.
It is said that a man's glory does not last forever. Oh, Okadibo, may the gods of our land deliver him from whatever that is making him look like the shadow of himself.
Exactly, that is what he's looking like.
The great.
May the gods help him.
May the gods help him.
But you know, most times when
By the river's edge, where waters
Keep calm. You are disturbing the peace of the shrine. The gods do not like noise.
I will say what I must say. And stop remaining small amounts of food for me. You know I easily get hungry.
Quiet, I say. You are making noise.
And I said stop remaining small amounts of food for me. Be careful. You may be my mother, but spiritually, I am not your mate. You know that.
I had a bad day. A very bad day. Ndurim. Amalicham. Let's go inside. Your touch always makes me feel better. It's like you carry this calmness that my soul cannot find on its own. Please, the most beautiful one, let's go inside. Hmm? We go. We mark.
By the river's edge, where waters gleam, a little girl holds nature's dreams. Born of the toys, our spirit flows. Away the stream.
Greetings, great Okereke. Greetings, noble men of our land. And what brings you to my hut?
Ogadibo, a nearby community is planning on a war and a fight against us. And we want you to join us and fight them.
It's alright. I will join you when the time comes.
The battle is in 10 market days. Please, be ready to join us.
I've heard you. You may leave now. Abaliri, Bigogwa. Hey! What's about you may leave now? Hey! Dori, I am going to a battle. Wish me good luck. You are not saying anything. Don't worry. Those beautiful smiles of yours says it all. Let me remind you this before leaving. You are the most beautiful one. Take good care of yourself. I will see you when I'm back. Amale Cham, always.
You fool! You cannot win! Return what you stole from the waters. Return what you stole from the waters, then you can have peace. How long will you let me keep frustrating you? How long will you let me destroy you? Return what you have stolen from the waters. Return what is not yours, or I will keep frustrating you. Do what is right.
The most beautiful one. My love. I almost lost my life today in the battle. I thank the gods for saving my life. Ombalicham, I know you had everything you needed while I was gone. Obim, the most beautiful one. Always smiling. Let me quickly go have my bath. I will see you soon.
Enough! Welcome, my friend.
Greetings, Nukunwai.
Please sit.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's been a long time, my friend.
Yes, it has been a while. Remember the last time I came here, your daughter, the river keeper, chased me away.
She's not around. She has gone to the river.
That's good. I came at the right time. You know, I'm a peacemaker. I do not want any troubles.
Trouble, you said? If you do not want trouble, then leave here now!
See what I mean? See what I mean?
Uzochi. Relax.
I have warned you to stop coming to this shrine. You wouldn't listen.
Ayanmiri, he is my guest. I am your mother. Show me some respect.
My eyes. What is happening to my eyes? What have you done to me, little thing? You little thing. What did you do to my eyes? What did you do to my eyes?
How dare you attack my guest? Listen, I am tired of your troubles. If you do not respect yourself, I will be forced to destroy you.
You cannot destroy me. I have warned that man to stay away from you. He is a distraction.
Distraction? Distraction from what? I am your mother. You do not tell me what to do. I warn you again for the very last time, Ayanmiri. If you test me, I will go the extra mile for you.
Standing as if you are still the great warrior, Kadibo. But you are no longer yourself. Emptiness. You are filled with emptiness. You are no longer that who you are. Okadibo. Utudim mamuludike. Utudike mulodogwu. Udugwe merifoji bulodogwu. Olonketen kankata. Take a good look at yourself. You are no longer that Odogwu that you used to be. You are no longer who you are. Ever since you married that strange woman. A strong being from the lineage of strong men now becomes a weakling. I am ashamed of you. Odogura parobnago. Dale ni fe de nwanya na ngada. I heard you are now losing battles. We don't have such history in our lineage, Okadibo. Such does not exist. You have chosen a path that is not our path. Odogwu abulugon kelenkankata. Okadibo, your grandfather traveled to Ugumosu to become a great warrior. Your father traveled to Ubuanyama to become a greater warrior. You, Okadibo, traveled to the river, and the daughters of the water opened her legs wide for you to consume you. Ibuanyelelele. And I want to know, Okadibo, look into my face and tell me, Okadibo, how did you meet that strange woman they call Daughter of the Waters? Talk to me!
By the whispering waves of the restless sea, I found her beauty, wide and free. Her eyes like stars, her lips so soft, oh maiden of the ocean.
Gods of our land.
She stood in grace, her hair
What a
kissed
beauty.
by the breeze. A vision of
Omalicha,
wonder beneath
your
the
beauty
palm trees.
is brighter than morning sun. Tell me, are you here to enjoy the river? Huh? your smiles is even more beautiful than words. My name is Okadibo. What is your name? You don't want to tell me your name? Okay. If silent is your answer, I am good with that. Come with me, the most beautiful one. I will shower you with gifts. Peace. Darling. You are so beautiful. This is my heart. Since you don't want to tell me your name, I will be calling you Ndori. The name Ndori suits you. Strong, yet soft. A name worthy of a queen like you. I am going to make you my wife. I will never allow any man to take you away from me. Not the wind, not the gods, not even death will take you away from me. Please, come and sit down here. Let me quickly go and prepare something special for you to eat. My beautiful queen. Sit down and make yourself comfortable. Sit. You don't say much, do you? Listen, I once spoke to the moon. He did not answer, but it listened, and that was good enough. Let me quickly go prepare something special for you, the most beautiful one to eat. I love your smile.
The daughter of the water is missing. Where could she be? Oh my goodness! This is an abomination! Whoever took her from our bodies bringing danger upon themselves! A treasure has been stolen from the waters.
What are you talking about?
The river is worthless because of what you have taken. Return what is not yours or suffer the consequences. The daughter of the waters belong to the river. They are part of the divine balance. And you must not break the divine balance.
I'm sorry.
Ignorance does not protect you from the word of the waters. Return what you have stolen as soon as possible, or face the consequences.
That means she's from the water. In that case, no man will be dragging her with me. She is all mine.
Nna, have you heard about Okadibo's wife?
I have. People say she's strange. They even say she's extremely beautiful, but does not talk.
She doesn't talk. This is strange.
No. She only smiles. That was what I heard.
Wait. She doesn't talk to anybody?
I don't know. That is what people say.
Okay. Let's go to Okadibo's hut.
All right. Let's go see things for ourselves.
Yes.
Ha! Ha! She's still smiling. Greetings, beautiful maiden.
I can see. We heard you're very beautiful. Of a truth, you are exceptionally beautiful. Even words cannot describe how beautiful you are.
Beautiful maiden, why is it that you don't talk? Are you deaf or dumb?
My brother, is she deaf?
Maybe. Can't you see? She's not even hearing what we're saying.
Try. Such a pity. For such a very beautiful maiden like this, she can't even talk, but only smile.
He's sad one.
My brother, we have seen enough. Let's go.
The greatest warrior of our time, Uwagbama. Hey! Okadibo, the greatest warrior of our time. Greetings. Greetings, noble men of our land. We saw your wife, your beautiful smiling wife. Onachi! Onamori!
Your wife, she's indeed beautiful. But my problem is that she does not talk.
Yes, that's who she is.
Does it mean she's deaf and dumb? Or the robe?
My wife does not talk to strangers.
Oh. Okay. Now we understand. Okereke. Hey.
Well, that is by the way. The thing is that we came to talk to you about the battle between Umudunu. Now tell us, when do we leave?
I am always ready. Tell other warriors to get themselves ready.
So, the greatest warrior of our time.
The only man that has a wife that cannot talk.
Ona amore. Ona ache.
Let's go.
Hey. The woman can smile.
Yes, you can smile.
Mana ọ dịrị ekwu okwu. Ọdọ
Young maiden, I have been asking you several times, but you are not responding. Are you dumb? Are you deaf? Can't you hear me? I thought I have seen it all, but now I am seeing something new. Not just new, but strange. Are you sure you are not from the marine world? Ibobanje. Young maiden, I am talking to you. Ebekisi, where are you from? What are you gazing at that is making you to smile? You are just gazing at empty space and you are smiling. Eh? Ha ha! Okadibo. I heard you are now living with a strange maiden. Who is she?
Father, she is the one I want to marry.
Okadibo.
Father,
Who is she and who are her parents?
I don't know yet. Soon I will find out.
You don't know yet. Son of a great warrior. You took a woman into your heart, yet you don't know her identity. Be very, very careful.
It's not like that, Father.
It's like what? I heard she doesn't talk but smiles. Is that true?
Yes, Father. She doesn't talk. She only smiles.
You are from the lineage of great warriors.
I'm aware.
Are you aware that you are the son of a great warrior?
I am very much aware.
Sorogede is the dance of the spirit. Be very careful. I will be coming to get to know more about her. I thought I've seen it all, but now I am seeing something new and strange. My son Okadibo brought a strange woman into his heart. I went to see this very woman. Was a woman that does not talk but smiles. And my son said he is going to marry her. I am confused. Please, I want you to seek from the gods. What kind of a woman is she?
She's from the waters.
Eh?
A child of the deep.
Hey.
She does not belong here. She belongs to the sacred deep. That is why she behaves the way she behaves.
Oh, can see, my son getting married to a daughter from the waters. Atomato. Hi! Oh, can see, yeah!
Okadibo has stolen from Hiyoma River.
Eh?
He has taken what is not meant for mortals. I will end him. I will make him suffer.
My son is thief. Hey! Hi! Okadibo! Okadibo!
Now.
Yeah! Ah! Ah! You must return that maiden to wherever you brought her from. Do you hear me?
Father, I love that maiden so much.
Voila.
And nothing will stop me from marrying her.
Are you mad? Eh? Come back here. Okadibo. Hey. You are me greasy. This will not happen. No. Ah. A lineage of warriors. And one of the warriors has fallen to the strength of a woman. And not just a woman. Daughter of the river. The sacrifice of the water spirit. Ah, my enemies have finally caught up with me. I know they have always wanted to disorganize this great family of warriors. Okadibo. Okadibo. What a pity.
Return what you have stolen. No one steals from the thief without paying a price. I will frustrate everything you do. Every battle you fight, you will lose. Everything you touch will turn into thin air. You will see how it is to become powerless.
So this is how they defeated all our men.
Hi.
Gods of our land. How could you allow this to happen to us? How could you allow this to happen to us?
Okadibo, I can't even tell what you did over there. You were just very weak. Okay, 2 of our men died in the process while protecting you.
Chai!
I don't even know what you did. What did you do? Gave him
You were just there, looking at them. Konyana Pulgori Ike. Nah. Thank the gods we survived this battle.
Yes. You cannot even say anything.
And when you're my what will he say?
Sure.
Kedu ihe nkara akọrọ ụmụ m? Kedu ihe nkara akọrọ ndị obodo?
You are quiet. I asked a question. I need response, Okadibo. Obviously, you have nothing to say. And I don't care. All I want from you is to do the right thing. Else you will incur causes that may even affect all of us.
Father, I have told you, I love her and I want to marry her.
In Apwala. In Apwala. Are you mad? Fichono, wipe your lips for saying such nonsense. What is that madness? How can you tell me that you are in love with the daughter of the river? A sacrifice to the water spirit. You want to make it easy? Where is it done?
Father, I, Okadibo, love her and I will marry her.
No. No. My enemies have finally caught up with me. They digged a pit, and my son has fallen deep into this pit. Oh. Okay, will you tell me what is this obsession with the daughter of the water?
You know you're beautiful, so I brought these beautiful beasts for you. Do you like them? I can get you something else if you don't like this. Okay, let me dance for you. Do you like my dance or should I change my steps? Fine, I'll go.
I know my daughter has caused you pain. But listen, Okadibo, you have taken a treasure that does not belong to you. And you expect my daughter not to ask for what is hers? Of course she will ask for what is hers.
Enyigwe, this very maiden we are talking about here, I love that maiden more than anything.
She is not meant to be loved by you. She is not yours to keep. You have taken what is not yours. You have to return it. Else, my daughter might take your soul. Ayanmiri is evil. I know what I'm talking about.
Oh, love from the deep blue sea, a treasure brought ashore to me. Bound by fate, our words collide. A love so pure, no place to hide. I asked her name, she cannot talk, but I like it that way. I never mind. She don't used to talk, but she used to love. She's all mine. She's all I want. Oh, you are all I want. Oh, love, my love, my love, my endless love. You stole my heart. I cannot stay without you. My love, so sweet and pure. You're my everything. I cannot live without you. My love, my endless love.
Ayanmiri, I understand that you are angry. But this man, help him to see reasons. Help him to understand that he has to return that lady to the waters.
What other reason does he need to understand? She cannot walk on land. She is from the waters.
He is human. He has feelings. Maybe that is his weakness.
If that is his weakness, he should better find strength and return her. The waters have no mercy.
What sort of child is this? What sort of human being is this? When I was told she was going to be the keeper of Iyoma River, nobody also told me that she was going to be this brutal. Is this what comes with the role? She does not even act her age.
How dare you? You daughter of the waters. How foolish are you? You've allowed the mortals to take you out of your home. Now return back to the waters where you belong.
The cause you seek to remove is deep. No one steals from the rivers.
Ezedibia, I did not steal. I love this woman. I met her in the river and I took her to my hut. Gently. She followed me willingly. Now the so-called eyes of the waters, the keeper of Iyoma River, is after my life. Ezedibia, she is tormenting me. I don't know what else to do. Help me.
You took her without offering a sacrifice to the goddess of the river. There was no balance in your action. Makanori ramu ebuni, jibi ụgwọ. Anyanwụ na-agbara na mekene, ndị mbụ na ndị egede na mekene, eze nwanyị oke osimiri na mekene. Eze nwanyi oke osimiri ana m ekene. Nwanyi baba dudu, nwanyi isi njakanja, nwanyi gold. Come back in the next Eke Markets Day. You will have a message.
Hello, Eze Dibia.
Isi kote bu ogba ya. He left my shrine earlier. Tell me, Ayanmiri, what do you think of his case?
He did not steal her in the way the world sees theft. In the river's eyes, he caused imbalance. He did not consult the river before taking her away from our boat. The woman in her purity belongs to the river. She was never meant to leave it. His intentions were driven by desire, not respect. And that has caused the disharmony. His fate is no longer in your hands. I will deal with him myself.
If you say so, great messenger of Iyoma River, who am I to defy your judgment? Makana mmiri adịrị onye ọfụghị ụkwụ ya. Isi kote bụ ọgba ya.
So he went to Okedibia. That fool. He doesn't know even the greatest Dibias. Bow down to Iyoma River. No! I can't let him have her. Not when I'm the keeper of Iyoma River. No!
Otugbo, anya ndị mmụọ ji afụ ụzọ. I am here. What message do you have for me?
You have awakened the water spirits. Okadibo, go and face them. Do not bring them to my shrine. I have more important things to do in my shrine.
Eze Dibia, anya ndị mmụọ ji afụ ụzọ. Are you really the one saying this? Eze Dibia, you were not sounding this way the last time I visited your shrine.
Leave my shrine. Go and face whatever business you have with Ayanmiri, or go to another shrine. Onye kpara nkụ ahụ ka ngwere na-abịara ọlịlị.
Every time you return angry, what is the problem this time?
I must end Okadibo's life. Making him lose battles is not enough. I must make him die.
Can you just calm down and take it easy?
No, I cannot. I must not and I will not.
What is wrong with you? Why are you always yelling at the top of your voice? Whatever powers that you think you have now, I am your mother and I deserve some respect. What is wrong with you? What is your problem?
I must go to the dark forest. I must summon his spirits. And then I will rip his soul out of his body.
Okaribo! Okaribo! Come out immediately. You have to come with me to the shrine. My daughter has gone to the dark forest. She intends to join forces with the witches to help them end your life. You must come with me to the shrine now.
Are you telling me to leave my beautiful wife and follow you? When am I coming back?
You will remain at the shrine until we can stop her. We will do everything to frustrate her moves.
How long?
As long as it takes. Okaribo, are you not coming with me? Do not be the one who sees life and chooses death. Ozowara, Okadibo refuses to listen. My daughter is on her way to the dark forest. If we do not act now, she will kill him. You need to help make him understand.
My son refuses to listen.
Yes.
This is serious. We must go back to him. He must listen to you. He must go to the shrine with you immediately.
Right away. Let's go. Fast.
Okadibo, I am your father. Whatever I tell you now is what you must do. You must go with her now to the shrine. It is for your own good. Do you want to die?
Father, Enyigwe, I will follow both of you on one condition.
Okadibo is no PK Kume. Are you breathing through your anus? And I will give you a condition of what? So what is the condition?
My precious wife must come with me.
All right. Let's go.
Wow. Malicham, Ndorim.
She should come. You hurry up! We don't have time.
Please don't shout at my beautiful wife. The most beautiful one. Please, gently.
Let's go.
Ndorim. Let's go.
Both of you should hurry up. Hurry up.
Father, do not shout at my beautiful wife.
Start going. Whoever did this to you? Whoever did this to you? Oh God, Riyamma. Oh God, Riyamma.
Settle. Enough. While you stay here, you will do as I say. I want to protect you from my daughter's wrath. She has embarked on a deadly mission.
Thank you. Anyway. Amalicham.
Come with me. I will show you where you will stay.
Onago. Not just Nigerian, it's Ayanmiri.
You are my everything. You light up my life the way the moon lights up the night. You are the water that keeps my life, the air I breathe. I love you more than words can explain. Listen, no matter what happens, no matter who tries to stop us, Omalicham, I will never leave. You are my love and everything. I promise to love you now and forever. I will never leave you for anyone. You are the most beautiful one.
We heard you, Ayanmiri. But what do you want us to do?
The young man crossed the line with no emotion. He defiled the Iyoma River. I want you to take his soul he has no protection. Take his soul!
Then we must act now. His soul must be snatched.
Ayanmiri Iwagbama Nkogafo Iwufogu Nsigwogi. Ayanmiri Iwagbama Nkogafo Iwufogu Nsigwogi.
Okadibo. Okadibo, where are you going?
I am going to get some food.
You should have told me. I can help you. I am here to protect you. You cannot walk out of the shrine anyhow you like. Wait. Step forward. On your knees. May the Creator protect you. Wherever there is judgment, let mercy speak for you. May you be surrounded by fire and become unstoppable.
What is this fire around him? And where is it from?
He's surrounded by fire.
Fire! No, this can't be. He's guilty! Where could this fire of protection come from? No! We must continue! Continue!
Okadibo! 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 Appear now. We call your spirit. Appear now. Okadibo. 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 Appear now. We call your spirit. Appear now.
Go back to the river. Why don't you go back to the river where you belong? Why be with him? Why put him through so much stress when you know you are not meant for him? Go back to the river. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, daughter of the river. I'm sorry if I offend you with my words. Do as you wish. As you please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is it? What is wrong?
Anyway, I'm dying.
We cannot find him. Where could he be?
This is strange, Ayanmiri. There is a strong force protecting him. He is connected to something greater.
This is not ordinary. We have to keep calling his name. Continue!
Okadibo! 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 Appear now! We call your spirit! Appear now! Okadibo! Okadibo! Okadibo!
Enyugo, I almost lost my life on my way to find food for my beautiful wife. All of a sudden, my chest started hurting me. It's like an attack.
I warned you, Okadibo. I told you Ayanmiri is evil. She's out there joining forces with the witches to take your soul. These are just signs.
So what am I going to do now?
You will not step foot out of this shrine again. If you have to do so, you will wait till my daughter returns. If not, if you step foot out of this shrine, she will capture you.
Okay. I accept.
Okadibo, 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 appear now. We call your spirit. Appear now.
He's still hidden.
The only way he can be this hidden is if he's at a shrine or if his hands are clean of guilt.
No, this can't be. He's guilty. His hands are not clean. He's not innocent. No. Let me go and find where he's hiding.
Okadibo, 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 appear now. We call your spirit. Appear now. Okadibo, Okadibo.
Anyway, I cannot thank you enough for protecting my son. We all know that young men of these days, they always behave so foolish. And they think they are wiser than the elders. However, may the gods continue to strengthen you. Yes.
You do not have to thank me. I did what I had to. My daughter Ayanmiri is evil. She has destroyed a lot of innocent people. I did not want your son to be her next victim. It is not as if your son is blameless. Your son offended the goddess of the water. But it's not enough reason for him to die. Knowing my daughter too well, she will not rest until she brings him down. That is why I did what I did.
You are right, anyway. And we can do everything for him to return that lady back to the goddess. What I'm trying to say is that it is only death that has no solution. We need to force him. We need to make him agree to send that lady back. We can do it. Any way you can do it for me. If you're an antolato, how can my son marry a daughter from the rivers? Alo melo, alo, is alo.
Okadibo, Okadibo, come out immediately. Where are you? Out. Now you listen to me.
Mother, so you've been the one blocking my powers. You've been the one protecting him. How could you? Ah!
What is after you?
I will explain later. For now, I am taking my beautiful wife to your hut.
Okadibo. Okadibo. Hey. What is after you? What is exactly after you?
Okadibo! 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 Osawara, where's your son? Bring him out now!
Why do you seek him with such ferocity? You are in my heart. I need response.
I will not ask again. Bring him out now!
Ayanmiri, do your worst. Ayanmiri nwata bunye nna ya enu ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochi anya ebu nwata kele.
This is not the end. I will be back.
Okadibo. Okadibo. Okadibo.
Nam. Father.
Take your strange woman and leave this hut immediately. I do not want to get involved in any fight.
Fight! Fight! Who is that person?
Fight! Eh? Come on, go inside and take out of this hut. As if there is any substance in you. If there is can you face any battle? As empty as you are. Go inside and take her out. No, if they call warriors, you think you can still come and stand as a warrior? An empty vessel. All your strength has ended up in that strange woman's body. Where are you? Come out from there.
Nam, don't rush us.
Ose?
My woman is taking her time, please.
What did you just say? Let me not meet both of you in there. Get out of this hut. She's still even smiling. Always smiling. Don't dare go towards that direction. That is where she went to. If you still love your life, that is if you have a life. Oh, Okadibo. Okadibo nwam. Enagwo. Ebe isi bi ụwa ka isi wee na. Ndo. Oh. Okadibo. You are gone. What a pity. You decided that the same place, the same spot you came into this world, that same spot should destroy you. Are you not destroyed? Enagoni.
You fool! You think you can run? You can run, but can't hide.
Enough is enough. I am going to deal with that daughter of mine, not minding whatever the consequence is.
Mother, what are you doing with my pot of power?
It is time to end this once and for all.
Mother, but you know Okadibo was wrong. He was guilty.
It is not just about him. You love to see others in pain, and I am tired of that, Ayanmiri. You derive joy in people's sorrow. Your heart is very darkened.
Please don't do this to me, please. No! Mother, no! No!
Now that your powers has been put under control, I will teach you how to use it. This power has intoxicated you so much, you need to learn the rules.
By the whispering waves of the restless sea, I found her beauty, wide and free. Her eyes like stars, her lips so soft, oh maiden of the ocean. She stood in grace, her hair kissed by the breeze. A vision of wonder beneath the palm trees. My heart was captured, I could not deny that this marine maiden, my love, my life. Oh, you are all I want. Oh, love, my love, my love, my endless love. You stole my heart. I cannot stay without you. My love, so sweet and pure. You're my everything. I cannot live without you. My love, my endless
Ndodi, where are you?
You stole my heart.
My love. Ndodi.
I cannot live without you. My love, so sweet and so sweet.
Ndodi, where are you? My love.
Oh, you are my everything, my everything, my everything.
Ndodi.
I can live without you. Everything, my everything, my everything. I can stay without you. Everything, my everything, my everything. You are my everything, my everything, everything. Oh, love from the deep blue sea, a treasure brought ashore to me. Drawn by fate,
Daughter of the river,
collide.
It is time to return
so
home.
pure, no place to hide.
Come with me.
I asked her name, she cannot talk, but I like it that way. I never mind. She don't used to talk, but she used to love. She's all mine. She's all I want.
Anywhere! 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 Have you seen the love of my life?
The daughter of the rivers has returned to the waters. This time around, she is locked in there and will never come out again. All because of you.
No! Anywhere, no! No!
Love indeed is a mystery.
Ndore! Ndore! Omanicham. Ndore, please. My love, where are you? Omalicham. Love him. You know that I love you. Please, I want you to show your beautiful and smiling face to me one more time. Ndore. Omalicham. Omalicham. Ndore. Ndore. Obim, you are the only one I love, please. Ndore. Ndore. Omalicham, please. Ndore. I am on my knees begging you. Please. There is no me without you, Omalicham. Please, don't leave me like this. I am lonely. Ndore, I can't even win any battle without you, please. Omalicham. You go say, please come out. Obim, where are you? Ndore. 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 I know you are inside here and you can hear me very well, please. Ndurim, I love you and you are the only woman I will love, please. Obim Bigosienu, please come out.
Every day, Okadibo kept going to the river, calling Nduri. But he never found her. He kept searching till the day he died.
Hey, yeah.
That is such a sad story.
Very sad, my children. Children, you can go back to your mother's hut.
Thank you, Nne. See you next time.
Okay.
Nne, take care.
By the river's edge where waters gleam, a little girl holds nature's dreams. Born of the tides, our spirit flows. Where the strength of rivers no one knows. Our voice commands with a staff of power. The river speaks and she reveals a gift so rare, a power so deep, keeper of secrets, the waters keep. Ayanmiri, 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 the eyes of the keeper of the river goddess. Ayanmiri, Ayanmiri, the mouth of the gods. Ayanmiri, 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 the eyes of the gods. Ayanmiri, 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 the mouth of the gods. Ayanmiri, the eyes of the gods. Ayanmiri, 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 the mouth of the gods. She walks to shore, the winds obey. Our whispers guide the night and day.